Now, today we will start the our new chapter, that is amine. Here, our next chapter is amine. Now, here the amine. This amine is nitrogen containing compound. It is amine म्हणजे काय असते? It is nitrogen containing compounds. Nitrogen containing compounds and basic in nature. एक लक्षात ठेवा, and basic in nature. Okay. Actually, this nitrogen also found in the proteins, hormones, vitamins. ठीक आहे, आपल्या बॉडी मध्ये पण आपल्याला प्रोटीन्स, हॉर्मोन्स, विटामिन्स मध्ये तुम्हाला हे पाहायला मिळेल, प्रेझेंट मिळेल. नाव इट ऑल्सो द प्रेझेंट इन द सम प्लांट्स प्रोडक्ट्स. सम प्लांट्स प्रोडक्ट मध्ये पण प्रेझेंट असतात. दॅट इज सिम्पल. म्हणजे बायोलॉजिकल इम्पॉर्टन्स पण खूप महत्वाचं आहे. दिस इज अ nitrogen containing compound basic in nature, and it's important to the biological sense is very important to us. Okay, now we can define the what is amine. Amine म्हणजे काय असते? Now here if we discuss the first structure of ammonia. अमोनिया कडे जाऊ आपण. अमोनिया सर्वांनाच माहिती आहे, इट इज नायट्रोजन bonded with the 3 hydrogen atom. It is ammonia. Okay, now from the ammonia, if you replace one hydrogen by alkyl group, we want to replace the one hydrogen by alkyl group like this. These are the nitrogen, and this one of the hydrogen, and we write here R group. One new compound is obtained by replacing one hydrogen with one alkyl group. Then new compound is obtained. If you want to replace two hydrogen, is here the one hydrogen and two R group here. Next new compound also the obtained. Okay, now if you want to replace all 3 hydrogens atom, then the new compound, these are the R, this second R and third R. The whenever replacing one or two or 3 hydrogen atom, whenever replacing one or two or 3 hydrogen atom, then new compound is obtained is called the amines. So how can define the amines? Like this. Here 1, 2, all or 3 hydrogen atom replaced hydrogen atom of ammonia attached to nitrogen atom. ना अमोनिया मध्ये नायट्रोजन एटम अटॅच हायड्रोजन एटम replaced by alkyl group. The new compound is obtained. Here the R obtained is called amines. यालाच आपण अमाइन म्हणू. म्हणजे तिन्ही पण अमाइन्स आहे. All 3 are the amines. Okay, now here simple definition and introductory part. Here the if you want to replace the 1, 2 or all 3 hydrogen atom by the alkyl group, the new compound this or this and this all collectively called amines. तुम्ही जर चेक केला अमाइन्स ऍक्च्युअली फंक्शनल ग्रुप जर पाहतो म्हटलं, बघा याच्यात काय होईल फंक्शनल ग्रुप, याच्यात NH2 बनेल. याच्यात दिस आर द NH ओपन व्हॅलेन्सी and here tertiary nitrogen. Okay, this is a functional group. Okay, now according to this according to the which type of R group is attached, Okay, which type of R group attached? The secondary and tertiary amines are classified. But before going the second and tertiary, amines are classified in three categories, depending upon the number of alkyl group attached to this nitrogen. So depending upon our number of alkyl group. Okay. तर बिफोर गोइंग दिस क्लासिफिकेशन तुम्ही स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊन घ्या म्हणजे आपण क्लासिफिकेशन स्टार्ट करू. चला टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. Okay. Yes. Okay, now here classification. We discuss the classification here. Now classification, amines are classified in three categories depending upon, इथे लिहू शकतो आपण classification, and it is a depend upon on which number of alkyl group attached to nitrogen. ठीक है, number of alkyl group पर depend है. First primary amine, त्याला first degree amine म्हणू आपण. Okay, second असेल secondary amine, second degree, and next is tertiary amine, third degree amine. Okay, now how can primary, second and tertiary are classified? It is a different from the alcohols. In alcohol chapter we discussed the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. How can classify it? If hydroxyl group attached to primary carbon atom, that is a primary alcohol. Means if you want to classify the secondary, then OH group, that is a hydroxyl group attached to the secondary carbon atom, that is for the secondary alcohol. Means it is the degree of alcohol depend upon the carbon depend होती. But in this class of amine, the degree of amine depending upon the degree of nitrogen. Okay, now we check the how many alkyl group attached to the nitrogen, and nitrogen degree decides the classification of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Okay, now here how can classify it? If only one alkyl group attached to nitrogen, then it is a primary amines. Means like this, if you want to attach like this, we take some example. Here the CH3 and H2, here the only one alkyl group attached to this nitrogen, then it is a primary. Means we check the degree of nitrogen. Here the nitrogen only attached to one alkyl group. If you want to take second example like this, these are the CH3 and H2. Now this also the primary. Why? Because we check the degree of nitrogen. Here the only one this alkyl group is attached. Okay, are you understand? सर इथे तर हे सेकंडरी कार्बन आहे. नाही, आपण सेकंडरी कार्बनला चेक नाही करणार. We check the only nitrogen atom where this alkyl group is attached. It is a primary. Now in case of secondary, what happened? In case of secondary, here the two alkyl group attached to nitrogen atom. Like this. Two alkyl group means, for example, simple example, here these are the CH3 and HCH3. Okay, we take the same kind of the alkyl group here also, and these two alkyl group attached to nitrogen. Obviously degree of nitrogen is 2, means it is secondary amines. If you like the different, we take the different also, like this CH3 and these are the NHC2H5. In this case also two different alkyl groups, but still degree of nitrogen is 2. Obviously it is belong to the secondary amines. Now in this case, three alkyl group alkyl group attached to nitrogen atom. Okay, for example here आपण तीन alkyl group घेऊ शकतो CH3 nitrogen CH3 okay. Now in this class if we check the degree of nitrogen, then we easily classified the primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Now we focus on secondary and tertiary amines. They are also classified in further way. If in this class these are the classified in two categories. There are the two categories like this. Secondary also classified in two categories and tertiary also classified two categories. It is called a symmetric amine, or we call simple. Okay, and here unsymmetric, or we call mix. If what is symmetric? Symmetric means R group are same. R is equal to R. Means attached to these are the symmetric. Both R group attached to the this nitrogen is the same, then it is a symmetric. Okay. In case of tertiary also, three R groups are same, then it is a symmetric. Okay. Now unsymmetric means R not equal to R. Means in this case CH3 is different and C2H5 is different, and this both alkyl group is different, then it is an unsymmetric. And in this class if you want to write the one example, nitrogen CH3 and this is a CH3 and this is a C2H5. Okay, now it is a belong to the unsymmetric. Now because here two is the same, two alkyl, but third is different. Okay, so now classification are of secondary and tertiary are depend upon the type of the alkyl group, nature of the alkyl group. If the same alkyl group are present, then secondary or tertiary we call as a symmetric or simple amines. If the these alkyl group are different, then we call them as the unsymmetric, or they're the mixed amine. Okay, so now these are the classification. चला बेटा screenshot गया. Yes. Okay, now we move toward the nomenclature. चला nomenclature कडे जाऊ. Now here according to the nomenclature, nomenclature of amines. Nomenclature of amines. Now we know that the two types of nomenclature, one is common name and second IUPAC name. Now we start the common name. Now here the common names. Common name, in this common name we firstly discuss the primary amine. Primary amine discuss करू आपण. Now these are the primary amines. In primary amine, the name of amines written in the form of the first write the name of alkyl group, then the name of amine, then the word is amine. Alkyl amine is a common name, simple. Okay, for the primary amines we write the first alkyl group, then put the amine. For example, simple here example. Now CH3 NH2. Now what is your alkyl group? Alkyl group is methyl. This is a methyl, and we write here amine. Okay, now another example, we take the C2H5 NH2. Now it is ethyl, right? C2H5 is ethyl amine. Okay, now these are simple common names. If we move towards the secondary, if we talking about secondary amine, then in secondary amine there are the two classifications, one is symmetric and unsymmetric, or simple or mixed. Now if we discuss about the here symmetric, if the symmetric nature or amines are there, symmetric nature, then we use the prefix used प्रीफिक्स डाय प्रीफिक्स यूज करायचं आहे. Then what is the name? How can write? Use the die prefix plus name of alkyl group and plus word is amine. Means here dialkyl amine is common name. Now here are some example like this. Here we write the CH3NHCH3 symmetric in nature. Then here the two alkyl groups, that is same alkyl groups, methyl and this methyl. We write the di because the two is the same, methyl, and last word is amine. Simple. Okay. Now in case of unsymmetric, here we follow the order is like alphabetically alphabetical order of alkyl group plus word is amine. Simple. This is a name of the here secondary and tertiary. Secondary, like this also apply the secondary and tertiary group. Here now in this class, CH3 NH C2H5. Now these are the different alkyl groups. Then it is a methyl, and these are the ethyl. Obviously, alphabetically, which come first? Yes, ethyl. Okay, the name is that ethyl, methyl, amine. Okay, ethyl, methyl, amine. That is a common name. In case of tertiary amines, if there is a symmetric are there, then use a prefix. इथे आपण प्रिफिक्स यूज करू try. Then name is that is a now कळेल try alkyl amine like this. म्हणजे डायच्या बदली ट्राय ठेवायचं, try plus alkyl plus amine. Okay, and unsymmetric, for the unsymmetric in nature, here unsymmetric. Okay, now here the again same like this, follow the alphabetical order, alkyl group, order of alkyl group plus put the one word is amine. Okay, I hope you are understanding this example. तुम्हाला जर हे सेकंडरी समजले असेल, तुम्ही टर्शियरीचे एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही इझिली करू शकाल. Okay, now here this is the common names of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. त्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊन घ्या बेटा तुम्ही. Okay, now here we discuss the IUPAC nomenclatures. Okay, IUPAC nomenclature कडे जाऊ आपण now. After this classification, we discuss the IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC names. Okay, now in the IUPAC nomenclature, the name of alkyl group is written as from the alkane. We replace the E and put the word is amine. The name is alkanamine. That is IUPAC name. This is IUPAC name, alkanamine. Now in this class, here the before amine, before the word amine, write locant number. म्हणजे हा अमाइन वर्ड लिहायच्या आधी आपल्याला अमाइनची पोझिशन मेन्शन करायला लागेल, लोकंट नंबर पुटअप करायला लागेल. ओके, नाव म्हणजे कसं, फॉर एक्झाम्पल एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊन घेतो, CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2. Now here is select the longest continuous chain. ही longest continuous chain असेल ज्या कार्बनला अमाइन अटॅच आहे तो कार्बन आपल्या या लॉंगेस्ट कंटिन्युअस चेन मध्ये यायला पाहिजे. तर हा आपल्यासाठी पेरेंट झाला, पेरेंट हायड्रोकार्बन. ठीक आहे. नाव स्टार्ट द नंबरिंग. नंबरिंग कशी स्टार्ट करणार? द मिनिमम नंबर गोज टू द कार्बन वेअर द अमाइन ग्रुप इज अटॅच. त्यातील 1 2 3. नाव हिअर द व्हॉट इज अल्केन of 3 carbon? What is the name of alkane? That is propane. Okay. Now here we write the propane. We remove the E. Okay. Put the locant number. The 1 number carbon is attached to NH2. 1 amine. Simple. Here these are the locant number. Write the before the amine. Okay. Now in case of secondary and tertiary amines. Secondary, tertiary amines, largest alkyl group select as parent alkane. म्हणजे लार्जेस्ट अल्किल ग्रुप म्हणजे काय? ज्यांच्याकडे कार्बन जास्त असेल, पेरेंट अल्केल. अदर अल्किल groups are consider as n substituent. Consider as n substituent. म्हणजे बघा समजून घेऊ काय आपल्याला, मला काय सांगायचं एक्झाम्पल मध्ये. मी काय एक्झाम्पल्स घेतो लाईक दिस. सेकंडरी अँड टर्शियरीचे एक्झाम्पल्स घेऊ. इफ यू पुट लाईक दिस एक्झाम्पल CH3 NH okay. Now second is there CH3 NH CH2 okay. Now next is that here nitrogen CH3 okay. In this class there the CH3 N C2H5 CH2 CH3. We write some examples and we try to write the IUPAC names. Okay. Now here the both alkyl group are same. Then decide the one alkyl group as a parent alkane. एक alkyl group ला parent alkane decide करायचं. मी त्याला बॉक्स करतो like this. We write in square box. It is our parent alkane. Now other this group alkyl group we consider as a N substituent. Means what is the name? How can write the name? Here we write the what is the name of alkyl group? Methyl. Then we write N methyl. Means what is N indicate? N means this methyl group attached to the nitrogen. Okay. Now here our parent alkane contain the one carbon alkane is methane. Then we write the methane, we replace E and put the word amine, methenamine. That is a N-methyl methenamine is the IUPAC name. Now in this class here the largest group this is, because two groups are different. Okay. Largest alkyl group is number of carbon is more than, we consider this group is largest and we consider as a parent, and other is substituent. Okay. Now here we need the numbering start from this carbon 1 2 3. It is called N methyl. How many carbon in our parent chain? 3 carbon. That is a propane. We remove the E, then put the locant number here 1 attached to the NH. Here the amine. Are you getting my point? समझते हैं बेटा सर्वन्ना? Yes. Okay. Now here in this class there are the similar groups are there. Take one group is a parent alkane like this, and the remaining two group is a N substitute. Now in this class, if you write the name, here the N comma N, we write the N for this methyl and second N for this methyl. di, both are the same, dimethyl, dimethyl. These are the one carbon is methenamine. ठीक है, n dimethyl है ना, n for this one n this methyl and second n this methyl, both are the same, we use the prefix dimethyl, and one carbon is alkane methenamine. Okay, now in this case, या केस मध्ये काय होईल, here the this methyl group, ethyl group, propyl group, the parent is this. Now here the this methyl ethyl alphabetically which come first, ethyl. Then we write the n ethyl, n methyl, alphabetically लिहू आपण याला, सर्वांना n जोडू. Now how there the numbering is 1 2 3. What is the name? Propane 1 amine. Okay, that is IUPAC name. Now this is some examples toward the secondary and tertiary, and we discuss the primary also here. Okay, चला तो स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या बेटा. Okay, now here for the aromatic arylamines in for the common names, मी थोडं सांगायचे विसरले, सांगून देतो तुम्हाला. For arylamines, if you take the these are the ring attached with NH2, then common name is aniline, and this common name on this also the IUPAC name. This is accepted by this common name accepted by IUPAC system. दिस कॉमन नेम ऍक्सेप्टेबल आहे, म्हणजे याला आपण ऍनिलिनला कॉमन नेम मध्ये ऍनिलिन म्हणतो, पण IUPAC नेम मध्ये पण त्याला ऍनिलिन म्हणू शकतो, किंवा IUPAC नेम मध्ये याला बेन्झाइल अमाइन पण बेन्झामाइन पण म्हणता येते. इट इज इन IUPAC नेम, इट इज कॉल्ड बेन्झामाइन. Okay, but still the famous name is, what is the famous name? Aniline is the famous name, hence it is called the benzamine. These are the benzamine, benzamine. Now it is a famous name of benzamine is aniline, hence IUPAC accept the aniline is a in IUPAC system. Benzamine also the available, but famous name is aniline. Okay, चला बेटा स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊन घ्या आता परत. Okay, done. Okay, now here we take the some aromatic examples. Aromatic example पण पूर्ण घेऊ. Now here we take the some examples. Ring, all of you know this is a aniline. Second example like this, NHCH3. Next example like this, NCH3, CH3. There is some example here. Okay, now when we take the another example like this, NH2Br. Okay, now we write the IUPAC names. Now IUPAC name is aniline, also the benzamine. Okay, now aniline we write the here. Now what is IUPAC name? It is right the, it is a methyl group attached to nitrogen, N-methyl aniline. That is IUPAC. This is the IUPAC name. Okay, now what is the name of this compound? It is called N, N dimethyl aniline. Okay, and in this class we write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is called 4 bromo aniline. Okay, also we write here what is the IUPAC of this compound? Yes, cyclohexaamine. Simple. Okay. Now there are some examples of rings, some aromatic and this alicyclic also. Okay. So I will screenshot घेऊन घ्या. Yes. ओके. तर आज आपण इथेच थांबू. ठीक आहे. उद्याला बघू मग मेट्रो प्रिपरेशन. ठीक आहे. चला तर बाय.